In this video, I will show you how to create QR code for your business card. Adding a QR code makes it easy for people to access your website, social media, or contact details with just one scan. Here is my business card. I will create QR code for this business card. First of all, open a new tab and search free QR code generator. Go to this website qr-code-generator.com. Here is a list of options to create QR code like URL, vCard, text, email, SMS, Wi-Fi. As we will create QR code for business card, that's why we will choose the second option, vCard. Click on that. Fill up all the information like name, contract, email, company. After fill up all the information, click on generate QR code. QR code is finally generated. If you want to add frame on your QR code, click on. In my business card QR code, don't need any frame. I will keep it simple design. I will choose the default option. If you want to change the QR code color, you can change from here, shape and color, and click on this color palette. You can change the color of QR code. I will make it default. If you have a logo, you can upload your logo here. The logo will be set center of the QR code. That's how we can generate QR code. To download QR code, click on download button. The QR code will be automatically download after generated. After downloading, I will upload this QR code on Canva. Clicking on upload and upload files. Select the QR code and drag it your design. Adjust the size. We have successfully created a QR code for our business card. Now your customer can easily access your information instantly. If this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this.